Today we are going to talk about the beauty of a person. We often say beauty is only skin deep. What is more important is our character and our attitude towards life and other human beings. Our nature or our character is more important than our appearance. Beauty is only transient, that is, temporary. I am going to talk to you about two incidents which really happened. In USA, once a father took his son to meet the president, Abraham Lincoln. Father told his son that our president is not handsome, he is even ugly. But on meeting the president welcomed them in such a pleasing manner. He carried the boy, kept him on his lap, asked him lot many questions, and endeared him so much, gave him hugs and all that. The boy was so much impressed by the president's nature. When they came out after meeting him, the son told his father, "Papa, is this the man who said is not handsome? To me, he is very handsome." See, the impression of the boy about the president. The boy was so impressed by the nature and the attitude of the president, not by his appearance. Qualities of the heart are more important. Once our Swami Vivekananda said, when there is a choice between the impulse of the heart and the dictates of your intellect, choose the former one, because the latter will destroy you. Actually, one's thought, action, and words are more important than one's external beauty. There was a conference going on in a hall. High officials were attending the conference, and after that conference, they all came out hurriedly. One blind girl was selling oranges sitting outside the hall. In the hurry of going out, one of the people toppled this girl's basket of oranges. The oranges were all scattered there, but nobody took notice of this and they all hurriedly went out. Out of them, one man turned back and saw this, quickly picked up all the oranges, kept in the basket, and even gave the girl some money. Just then, his phone rang up, and the girl was asking him, "Are you the God?" Look at the impression of the girl. She even thought that he is a real God. This is what happens in life. We are so much impressed by the words, thoughts, and actions of others rather than their external appearance.